Hey tubes, doing a little project here. I'm going to try and repair my wife's Pukeko. What's happened is, it's one of those ones that the legs fly around in the wind, and we get plenty of that here. And the legs fell off because it unscrewed the screws from the spigot thing here. So, you know, they were flying around in different directions, gradually unscrewed, and they were lost. And during the fall, one of its little feet fell off, so I'm going to try and glue that on. So that'll take a while to dry, so we'll get started, glue that, and put it back together and see if it works. It's no wind today, unfortunately, just rain, and it's goddamn cold. Anyway, I'll be back shortly. I'll glue this up with I'll try some epoxy paste. Steel hard in 15 minutes, that should do the trick. If not, we'll try something else. Okay, be back shortly, tubes. So there we go, tubes, stage 2. I've got the araldite, or whatever you call it, epoxy paste, and clamped off, and hopefully that'll hold 15, it'll be like steel in 15 minutes. Yeah, right. Okay, see you soon. Right, let's see if this is dried. Might have a winner. Smells like nail polish. So we'll go around the back and put it on the post. And that's the post. was wondering why this side of the Pukeko wasn't working, and I just noticed that one of the toes is missing off its foot. Okay, so I've glued some sticks together, and that'll fit over the leg. I'll just shape it a bit, paint it red, glue it on, and no one will know the difference except for me and the wife and everyone else that looks at it, but never mind. Okay, I'll carry on. Radio trendsetters, I've attached the artificial limb or toey clawy thing to the Pukeko's revolving leg, so I'm going to reattach it to the body now so it should be better balanced and spin around. When that's spinning at 100 miles an hour, no one will be able to tell it's got an artificial limb. That's better, isn't it? Much better balanced. So I'll bring it back tomorrow night when I shall attach it to its post once again. Okay, it's now Thursday. It's been rainy and cold, but I'm going to put this out because I can't wait any longer. So we'll put the Pukeko out with its artificial toe. See how it spins. Insert one. Looking better, isn't it?